Welcome to the B.E.G exhibition stand. I'm standing in front of the classroom, our application example from the school sector. Here we would like to show you how a compact solution based on DALI can be used to control free lighting strips with different intensities, using only one device and taking into account incident daylight. This is realized by addressing and grouping the luminaires beforehand. So you see here Group 1, Group 2, Group 3. The panel light, which is currently already on, I can turn it off now, is Group 4, for example. Switching on the main lighting now, you can see here that the lighting is graded according to the incident daylight from the right-hand side, where there's a window front, which results in additional energy savings. By pressing the button for a long time, the lighting in the classroom can of course also be adjusted. That means the control can be overwritten manually. The relay can additionally be used to control a ventilation system, for example, so that the ventilation system can also be controlled depending on presence.